Thank you. I'm Clyde. I come from Kibera. These slums, the biggest slum in Africa so far. This is where I was born and bred. I've gone to school through here. I've been into these shanties for the last 30 years that I've lived in this world. It's a nice place, friendly people. As we go inside, we always welcome. They are always welcoming to visitors. So you are also welcome today to see the different life, the different part of history, how people live different from maybe where you come from. And at the end of the day, everybody is happy. They are happy, and yeah. For kids, for us who have stayed here all of our life, it's the only life we know. And even for the kids, it's the only life we know. They're always happy. If you feel like you can donate anything to the kids, to the school, there's places you can donate, you can help them, you can also stand with them. Thank you.
Absolutely, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
So, family, that is our introduction, and we're going to start our walking tour. And this is our good brother as he's wearing this beautiful red Africa for the Africans Kenya T-shirt. Yes, William, you have anything you want to share before we start our walking tour?
Okay, this is known as Kibera. It's one of the largest slums we have in Kenya. It hosts about 1 million people. It's a vote-rich region that determines who becomes the governor of Nairobi. Okay, people here are very poor. They live below $1 a day. And I think they are satisfied. Everyone is happy. It's a welcoming community. We will meet very good people here. Very welcoming, no violence, nothing. It's only the people here. I think it's good now we move.
Absolutely, family. We are on the move. Well, thank everybody for coming out and just enjoying the experience. And that's what it's about. Let's enjoy all of it.
Let's move out of this spot.
They are very, very expensive. Bring it, your dog. I'm happy to see.
And this, brother, if you can talk louder so we can all hear while you're just showing us around.
Okay, so here, so where we are here, this is Kibera slum, so we are going inside. But actually, the village is called Gatwekera village. It's a slum that started around 1970s when British were building this railway line. So the workers started building structures within here, and that's how slums came to be. So it has been growing because of the rural-urban migration. People coming from rural who can't afford the rent. If you come to Nairobi in search of job, probably you'll have to look for the cheaper houses, and automatically you will land into slums as you are making your ways. So that's how slums came to grow. That's how Kibera slum has grown through rural-urban migration. Now people have an average birth rate here. Like in each house, we'll find between 5 to 7 kids, averagely 5 kids. So there's also high birth rates within slums, and people here are extremely poor. We can't lie. People are extremely poor, earning averagely $1 or less a day. This is a place where people go hungry, and you just meet with the kids smiling. you can't realize that they went hungry the previous night or goes hungry. And we have well-wishers, people who come to visit us like now you have come, some sponsor kids, This side. Jamo, let's wait for them. So, like most of the kids here, including myself, at one point I was sponsored when I was going to school, and that's why and also another challenge in Kenya, even if you have gone past the education system, now another big deal is now getting a job. It's never easy. So many people have gone to school, but now you have to create your own space because there's no formal job opportunity also in Kenya. They're here with us.
You gotta make a way or you don't have
Yeah, or you don't have any way. Now they are going down.
Just like that. Wow.
What is that there, Coke?
I want to say some kind of samosa party.
I ain't in that party.
Yeah, we also have nightclub.
Nightclub, this is a hotel and a nightclub. Sweet Palace.
Where?
So this is a hotel and a nightclub. Party and spa. And then I see a community center.
Oh, so you set up hotel?
Yeah, which is
You set up your own stuff.
Yeah, just set up.
Make it work for the community.
Yeah.
so Juma, later on we're gonna come back and get some drinks. Juma like what? Juma, later on we're gonna come back and get some drinks there, okay?
Some what?
Some drinks.
Okay. Yeah.
No, later on tonight though.
Down here?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a gun?
No. I got the ancestors are gonna protect us.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's how we survived in Africa for 2 decades moving around.
Any other place in the United States and a place like this place would be so violent. You know what I
He
mean?
did say it was.
It would be extremely violent.
That's the difference, the extreme part.
You know what kind of battery charge I'm looking for?
Yes,
That's dung. That's dung. That's dung.
yeah, that's it's like elephant dung, right?
They burn it.
That's fertilizer there. Yeah.
It's a little high. And they can use it to heat the stove and stuff. That's dung. Yeah, watch the
Yes, my brother, man, you may have to slow down for us. Yes, family, so let's doing a walking tour through Kibera. We got our guide in front and our guide in back. And not trying to throw struggles and poverty at you, but the only thing that we can really do is show you all aspects of a country. Yeah,
Just like you see me here, this water always depends on most, but there's always off season. There's always off season. Like I can't even go a month without it.
Bethel Kibera School. You need some medicine?
You don't need that? Well, what are you looking for exactly?
What we can do is just get you a new camera from a new camera from the camera store.
There's nothing wrong with the camera.
It's like about 20 years outdated.
Yeah, but I just need the camera.
Material center.
We're gonna take you to a place to shop, and there's really nothing we can really do unless you want to talk with. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
She's a tailor, seamstress.
But go inside.